Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to be replacing one of the drives inside of our Synology disk stations because the drive has failed. So we're gonna kind of go through the quick little process that you need to do to fix that. So let's get started. So once we log on to our Synology, we are greeted with this storage manager warning that says, "Attention, one or more storage pools have been degraded. We recommend replacing the failing drives." So we're going to do that today because you can see we have 4 used drives, 1 unused. It appears to be drive 3 is the one that is broken. If we come into the storage pool, we can see as well, we have drive 1, 2, 4, and 5, and drive 3 is gone. That would be because if you go into our notifications, and then we go to system events, you can see here there was a bunch of bad sector warnings that we got. And then finally it just failed. And then you can see here it says how to fix it. So we replaced a drive with a drive that's bigger than the ones that's the same size or bigger than what we currently have. And then after the drive's been replaced, we do action repair and it'll fix it all. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on our little person and shut down. You should be able to do this while it's turned on, but I like to shut it down just so you know no data is being written, no one's touching the drive, so you don't have to worry about any issues that could arise from that. All right, so we're going to take the drive out that was giving us the error. We're going to set that to the side. You'll have to take the drive out of the tray that it's currently in, and then you can get your new drive and swap them. Once they're swapped, you take the drive, put it back into the tray, and then lock it in there. Get your little key, lock it, so that way no one can accidentally push it. Not that anyone should be messing with that anyways, but you never know, right? Once locked, go ahead, turn it on, wait for the startup sequence to complete, and then we will be good to go. So now that we have the drive back in, we have the system rebooted, it's going to start beeping again because I have the beep turned on, so that way I know when something happens. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off since we are completely aware that there's an issue. We're going to come back in here to Storage Manager, which still says volume's degraded, and we still have 1 unused drive. So we're going to go into Storage Pool, and then we are going to see that it has been degraded. So now you can see here that we have the drives. So we're going to go over here to Action. We're going to go to Repair. And then you're going to see here that it has drive 3. It sees it in here. It sees that it is in a drive tray. And it isn't a 4K native, but we are fine with that. So we're just going to go ahead and say Next. And that says all data on newly added drive will be erased. Are you sure you want to continue? And since it's a brand new drive, we don't really care. So we're going to say OK. And then it is going to take the selected drive, it's going to add it to the storage pool as a repair, and then it will give us back our 10 terabytes of data storage that we need. So we can go ahead and say apply. And then from there, it's going to save our settings, and then the storage pool will go into repairing mode. And then as you can see, you can see here it says repairing, down here status repairing. Checking consistency now, and then if you go down to the drive, we have drive 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 now completely there. So the drive that I did replace this with was a slightly bigger one, but that's because my overall goal is to eventually upgrade this whole thing, so this basically just made me upgrade it a little faster. And at this point there was only a $10 difference between the sizes in the drives, so I wasn't entirely worried. So this will probably take a couple hours depending on how much storage you have, and then you can go ahead and clear any warnings you have because everything's getting taken care of now at this point. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave us a comment down below. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, followed by the bell icon, and we will see you next time.